Hello, friends from the language bar. Actually, let's leave the language bar and go to the language conference center. We're going to talk a little bit about Atynese and its vowels. So many words and phrases will be borrowed from other languages, and so the vowels are borrowed from Japanese, but without those sounds. So it's going to be a, I, u, e, o. That's the Atynese vowels. So if somebody decides to name Apple after their daughter or son Jamie, it would be Jami, because there's no A sound. So it's Jami. So there you go. It's just a little donation once I get my Patreon, and you can name something after your child.